This is a multi-purpose torch, very good for the car safety purpose. It has the solar rechargeable. When you are stuck in the forest or somewhere where you are not able to charge the torch, you can recharge this torch using this solar light. It has a C-type USB charging port plus USB power bank port, so that you can connect your mobile to emergency recharge for that purpose. And it is a waterproof design, ingress protection, and it has the compass as well, so you can get the geographical direction. And now it has the zoom focus, the hammer for the glass breaking of the car and something else, or bus or somewhere. And this is a seat belt cutter, very good. For the emergency use, you can cut your seat belt from this, like this. Got. And now I am turning on the torch. It has multi-function light. Switch off the light of this, high, low, flash, and this white light, and for the signal, the emergency signal, red and blue blinking. I am turning it once again. Zoom focus, high, low, medium, and the blinker, and the white, the floodlight, good for the camping purpose, and this light for the emergency signaling. And this one more thing, it has the magnets, the 4 magnets. You can for the magnetic, you can hang somewhere. While repairing your car, you can hang it from the metal surfaces.